I'm inside of Inkscape and I've made a nice looking birthday card cover. The problem is my page is over here and it's quite tiny. I totally forgot about my page when I was busy making this design, and I'd like to just now have the page be the same size as the design. Well, the hard way to do it would be to select everything, make it nice and small, move it over and try to stuff it into the page. I don't want to do any of that. What I'm going to do instead is just make the page the same size as the design. You can do this very easily. I'm going to go up here to File, Document Properties, and then there's a button right here that says Resize to Content. When I click on it, you'll see now the page becomes the exact same size as my design. There's also a shortcut for this as well. As you can see, my image is quite a bit bigger than the page. All I have to do is go Control, Shift, and R, and that will immediately resize my image to the page. That's Control, Shift, and R. Hope you found this walkthrough helpful. I love using Inkscape. There's always lots to learn, like this video. Have some fun with it. Thanks a lot for watching.